How to use the teriparatide injection delivery device. Taking teriparatide injection correctly is an important part of your treatment. However, it doesn't have to get in the way of your active lifestyle. Teriparatide injection is taken using a delivery device that helps you administer the medicine. This video will show you how to properly use the delivery device as you integrate teriparatide injection into your routine. This is just a demonstration, and you should consult your healthcare provider on how to use the teriparatide injection delivery device. Before you use the teriparatide injection delivery device, please read the front and back of the medication guide and user manual completely. You can find them packaged with your teriparatide injection delivery device and on alvogenteriparatide.com. Follow the directions carefully while using the teriparatide injection delivery device. Here are a few things you need to know before using teriparatide injection. Do not transfer the medicine from the delivery device to a syringe. This can result in taking the wrong dose of teriparatide injection. Do not share your delivery device or needles because infection or disease can be spread from one person to another. The teriparatide injection delivery device contains 28 days of medicine. Throw the device away 28 days after the first use, even if it is not completely empty. Do not inject more than one dose of teriparatide injection in the same day. Before taking teriparatide injection, wash hands prior to use. Prepare the injection site, thigh or abdomen, as recommended by your healthcare provider. Remove the white cap by pulling it straight off of the device. Check the device. Do not use the teriparatide injection device if it is damaged. Check the label on the device. Do not use if the device contains the incorrect medication or if the medication has expired. Check the medication cartridge. The liquid medication should be clear and colorless. Do not use the medication if it is cloudy, colored, or has floating particles. Attach a new needle. Peel off the paper tab and push the needle straight onto the medicine cartridge. Screw on the needle clockwise until firmly attached. Do not over-tighten the needle. Pull off the large outer needle cover and save it for later. Set dose for injection. Pull out the black injection button until it stops. Check to make sure the red stripe shows. Additionally, the instruction window will show an arrow pointing towards the needle end of the device. Pull off the small inner needle protector and throw it away. Caution, the needle will be exposed. Gently hold a fold of skin on your thigh or abdomen and insert the needle straight into the folded skin. Press the black injection button down until it stops and hold. Hold it in and count to 5 slowly. You must wait until the count of 5 to make sure the full dose has been delivered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove the needle from the skin. Once the needle is removed from the skin, take your thumb off the black injection button. Check to make sure the black injection button is all the way down. The instruction window will show an arrow pointing towards the black button. If the yellow shaft does not show, you have finished the injection steps the right way. You should not see any of the yellow shaft. If you do and have already injected the medicine, do not inject yourself a second time in the same day. Instead, you must reset the device. Although jamming of the device is not common, you can refer to the troubleshooting section on the back page of the user manual for instructions on how to reset the device, or watch the troubleshooting video on alvogenteriparatide.com. Remove the needle. Put the large outer needle cover on the needle by scooping it up and pressing it on. Do not try to put the needle cover back on with your hands. Unscrew the covered needle all the way by giving the large needle cover 3 to 5 counterclockwise turns. Pull the needle straight off. Dispose of the needle into a puncture-resistant container according to local regulations. Do not reuse the needle. Push the white cap back on the device. Always store the device in the refrigerator with the white cap on right after use. Do not store the device with the needle attached. Do not freeze teriparatide injection. If the teriparatide injection delivery device has been frozen, throw the device away and use a new teriparatide injection delivery device. To clean the teriparatide injection delivery device, you may wipe the outside of the device with a damp cloth. Do not place the teriparatide injection delivery device in water or wash or clean it with any liquid. If you have any questions on the use of teriparatide injection, please contact your healthcare provider.